Yes, Edo people. Now, good morning. About Tobaze, I am back again. For those that have seen my caption, it is very, very important that we set the record straight. Edo people all over the world, I want to say a big thank you for the role you all played during the campaign and during the election period, especially on that very day. I appreciate you all. No single individual can come out and say, "Na me make Obaseki win second term." It was a collective effort. Everybody. This is the first time that politicians across the 18 local government, all of them win their units. It has never happened before. Like I was telling somebody some days ago, I said, come, this is the first time politicians will never win their unit before all of them win their units. Why are you not asking questions? Because those all over the world came together. They spoke in one voice to say Obaseki must be re-elected. So I thank you. I thank you. God will bless everybody that contributed to the victory of Obaseki at the polls. During the election, it was very, very lucrative for a lot of people to pitch tent with the governor, to support the governor, because the governor was popular. When you say vacancy, anywhere you go, if you try to canvass somebody, the person will be canvassing you. That was exactly what happened. If you try to talk to somebody and say, my brother, I'm going to try to work for governor, I'm going to try to support governor, the person going to tell you, say, come now, go, see my PVC. That was what happened during the election. So it was lucrative for some persons, even the BB politicians. They saw the stand of the people. They don't really say, man, this man is popular. Even many that would have loved to play anti-party, it was difficult for them. Because they don't say if they play anti-party, they will not win. They will not win. So they better just stay with PDP. They better just stay with Obaseki and win. So that is why in this second term of Obaseki, the work never finished. I tell people, the work never finished because the expectation from a lot of people is high. Very high. Very, very high. People when they expect to benefit personally from this government, there are many. Now thousands of people, because now major the PDP will come meet, and many APC, about 85% of the real APC, all of them they support the governor. So this is the only state in Nigeria now where we don't have that strong opposition, apart from EPM. EPM that be the only opposition, and we want them to remain there because we need opposition too. We need the opposition to also checkmate the government. So now they be the opposition. I know they see APC as opposition because majority of APC members in the states, they worked and voted for Obaseki. The reason why Obaseki even no score reach 600,000 was because INEC did not do fresh voters registration. I know of over 20,000 Edos that wanted to fly down to do registration, go back, then during the election they will come back and vote. But because of the COVID-19, there was no fresh registration. I know how many people went there my voting center when not get PVC. So they buy time. I make no register, make a vote. I make no register. People that have never voted before, they wanted to get voters card and vote for Obaseki. So please, that's why everybody will work for governor. Shine your eyes. Shine your eyes. This second time they will fight him seriously because the expectation is high, very high. Very, very high. If they come in tomorrow and say, Abba, come and take this position, of course, I will accept am, especially if that position wey go enable me serve my people at the grassroots level. Yes, I go try. If somebody when they come before say, bros, you not deal everywhere red though, send me small thing now, send me 5K, I not get gas, I not get this from my wife nowhere. If I get government and I get opportunity to give person job, I will do am so that make the stress reduce from my side. So this second term, thousands of politicians in PDP and APC, they are expecting people want to be commissioner, many want to be SSA. A lot, especially when governor go down dissolve ESCO, when he go down dissolve the present political appointees, everybody now go sit down. They say, I walk, make I see whether this man go call me, make I see. The truth of the matter is, during the campaign, a lot of governor opened doors. Because at the beginning of the administration, he said there is time for everything. There is time for us to work. There is time for us to play politics. So don't expect the numbers of SSA during the election make you retain all. No, you not go feel retain all. So that's why we that have that genuine love for him, we will still hang around to make sure people out of their selfish interest don't give him political distraction. So please, voting for Obaseki, mobilizing votes, sending money to people to vote for him, say buying umbrella is not enough. We need to stand back. We need to stand by. We need to stand by and protect him. He needs to be protected. Many things happen during the campaign. Don't expect it, because once they swear in now straight governors. He just paid salary some days ago. This one and the first governor in Nigeria from the beginning, he never owe. The next time the governor will pay now after he's swearing in, it will be on record that the governor no owe salary for straight 4 years. So if you want him to continue, please don't jump. Don't just be doing like this. Don't talk to please anybody. Don't talk to please anybody. Don't talk to please anybody. For me, I have been consistent. Okay, this person here, na mercenary. Maybe now they must have holding Proxy account. Like they insult me now, but we know how to. You know, when you take a position like this at the beginning, you'll be unpopular. But with time, people can see why they do this thing. Whoever feel say I dey fight him, the person know. He know why. He know why. Ogbeyogbere, ema wo wodo. Ogbeyogbere, ema wo wodo. Ogbeyogbere, ema wo wodo. So my people, I want to beg, I want to appeal. We have EPN. Their role is to criticize the government. But they don't even know how to criticize constructively. They don't even know how to push a government to work. What they know is insult, lies, propaganda. So EPN, you both should go and learn how to criticize government constructively. I want people to remain. That's why I'm not a fan of people. As a young winner, let's go and get people from the other side so that we know we need opposition. But we also need our people here. When they are spreading fake news, we also need people to say, no, this one are lies, this one are propaganda. Don't spoil the image of the man. What some of our people are trying to do now, there are people that they believe that somebody don't fair call me before the election. Why some people may I not talk? Man, get where you go talk. Somebody don't come and say, how about now you make governor not really set up social media? Where? Now you make governor not front social media. Because you do most of the things for free. I won't lie here, the governor has showed love to me sometimes. Say, now you. You know, say government, not they do things if attack, not they. That was what they did during Oshomole, his media aides. They go by themselves, go NUJ. They'll go get some journalists to use Proxy account to attack the government of Oshomole just to collect money from Oshomole. That was what Mayaki wanted to do during when governor made him interim CPS. He go deliberately just quiet, make externals attack the government. What's going to go and say, why they spoiling my name? Why they misinforming the people against me? Say, Your Excellency, we need to do this, we need to do that one, we need to do that one. They will come match B. Governor come understands, okay, at that time governor come go bring it Crusoe. That was the guy time. And as I said, they exposed John Mayaki that time. So then they say, how about you own too much. So please, now beg, I want beg, Edo people, it is too early for us to start distracting. Imagine somebody raise the post and say governor should go and do flyover. I don't understand. Somebody should go and do flyover from where? From flyover from where? From Baba Junction to bypass. I be where? I have been in this state for years. I never dare hold up for straight 1 hour. Unless maybe during that election period where people call it trade for road, people call it trade for walkway. I don't get road. All we need is for the governor to fix the adjoining roads, all the linking roads. I don't get road. I don't know like Lagos State. You see, I even want traffic. Me, I want the state to be busy. If any state, how do you know a metropolitan city? For many of you, we don't travel. We dey New York, you dey London, you dey some cities. Sometimes you go there traffic for 3 hours. That shows the economy of the state is booming. How many fly over there London? How many fly over there New York? That shows people are trooping in. That shows there is economic activities going on. For governor, is a governor no get sense we go carry Iriri Road from Airport Road to Saple Road. So if you are going to bypass, if you are going to Ogege, you don't need to go through Saple Road again. You don't need to go through Ring Road. You go through Airport Road, Iriri down. Now the master link Erediawa from Satana Market. So if you are going to Upper now, you are going to bypass. You don't need to go through Third Junction, Way. Go through Third Junction. No, you just knock the road beside Satana Market there. You don't knock her. Our prayer now make governor through Ogiso. Make it through Ogiso. Make it do that or which I know that they were awarded the contract, but I don't know if the contractors, if they are on site, because many of them they travel out during the COVID-19. Many of the Igbo, when they do this one, they go their country. So what we need to do that fix is for the government to continue to fix check to decongest our roads. See if there is no traffic. If government is able to finish that industrial park, and we get like 5 mega companies that can set up there. See, I don't go the jam. So please, nobody should. If you're not happy with the government, just come out. Just come out and say, I am not happy with the government. Besides, he has not even been sworn in. He still has a case in court. We still get case for tribunal. Abi, we don't get case for court. Abi, don't say President go fit tamper with the case. They fit do a wuru. So there is a strategy by EPM to incite the people against the presidency. So I mean, they can say, we allowed the free and fair election in Edo. Why is Obaseki people insulting us? So please, we don't need this. We don't need this. The government does not need this distraction. So that's why I commented in somebody's I said, before you see Moki don't see you. We created a platform for many people to support Obaseki during the campaign. That don't mean that they do the magic. There are people that have been consistent. Look at this woman now, Princess Maggie. Princess Maggie has been consistent. It's been consistent. During this protest now, almost everybody were against the government. Very way palliative matter happen. Hey, Obaseki had food. So many people now don't ship to. They don't. Why you want back government? Why assist you? They're always looking for safe place. Hey, now here go safe pass. Once everywhere don't see okay now say governor now don't start work. They just see dance come back to sign of governor. If any political attack just come tomorrow now, they just say, you have a Safwa. No, you don't jump. You can't be jumping up and down. But they know you for one thing. Know you for one thing. See, if I am with you, I am with you. Even if people criticize me, they know that my support for this government is born out of conviction. And the fact that the man is better than the former governor. And he also needs me. He needs me to say, see, I have influenced a lot. I don't come to social media to advise the governor. I don't. I know channels. The man reads. He reads. Nobody say, now, the governor when they write letter, they go say, make commission and go treat him. He reads. Governor if he carry paper for granted, he go read them. That's not they do they say for party or not they say they're busy. He's always going with movie. If they travel, they go abroad anywhere. He fly jacket, get one big bag. Before they even put governor cloth for his motto, they must put that. Now they treat all the files. Ask people when they do proposal to governor. So if you get any area when I want make the man do, I know what I did for that Xavier Road. I know what I did. For Amagba Road, I know what I did. For Ekosodi Road, I know what I did. Many things. I'm identifying now some secondary schools because Subeb now they will start working on renovating government secondary schools. My own is how to go maneuver. Madam, I want to do this school. That is why we are supposed to be in government. As we speak now, I have not visited one leader to say I want to influence appointment. I have never lobbied for anything, position. I have never and I will never. I not get appointment for Obaseki 8 years. That's where he reach. So please, Edo people, where Obaseki opposition did there already to criticize. Please don't give up on him. Don't let anybody become the change one of the sense of people for beneath to the jump up and down. I jump go here, I jump go here. There are people are not doing what we call psychological begging online. Me, I don't need anything from government. There are people in diaspora that will always recharge my phone. People are sending me money every month. Somebody not buy me this shoe. Somebody not buy food tank for me. That is psychological begging. You are begging people. That's psychological begging. Election funny. I have no issues with people sending people money during the government. Many people call me to say, Abba, what do you need? What do you need to work? What do you need to do your rally? People supported me. People, my friends here and my friends in diaspora, they supported me. Fine, don't expect me to still be asking them money after election. For what now? To do what? To do what now? To do what? About Bemea. To do what? Immediately after election, a week after, I thank all my people when they different WhatsApp group when I create, when they mobilize, talk about family. I thank them and say, please, you are now free to exit yourself from this group. It's so funny. Why should I keep them? Why should I keep them to do what? You keep here, ba? I said, you are free now to exit yourself so that make everybody go back to what they do before. While we continue to add our voice to the development of the state. Obaseki does not need distraction. Please. This last NSAS protest, after the real protesters walk, when the hoodlums, that was the distraction. All the things when they destroy now, not be government now, want to go refix all of them. Tell me. During the election, some of my friends tell the whole world, I don't not get money like Lagos, I don't not get money like Abuja, I don't not get money like Rivers State. Recently, Buhari returned 79 billion to Rivers State. How much is allocation in the entire South? Now I don't like get the smallest monthly allocation from federal. Sometimes 2 billion, sometimes 2.something billion. How much? Go see how much with data. Go see how much with Baisa. Go see River State. Go check how much with their monthly allocation. Now you are saying Obaseki should come and do flyover. She come and use 15 to 20 billion to do flyover. To where? All we need to do is to encourage the government. Ibiwe, through Ibiwe, all the adjoining roads through it. Then the traffic officers, they should be up and running. They should be up and doing. Any country, any city. Look at London today. Look at London. The government, the UK government, they are doing everything to discourage people from buying vehicles. They are doing everything to discourage people from driving their personal vehicles. So that means that they use train to decongest the streets of London. Recently, the year I said they want to get some area now. They also they tax people maybe £15 for you to drive enter the main London city. It's not like they hate you. They don't want to buy car. They because of the economic activities. London is one of the most visited cities in the world. So they are doing everything to discourage people from flooding the city with cars. So they encourage them to use train. The same thing with China. Most people they drive their cars weekend because the economy is booming. So why they not put flyover for everywhere for China? Very soon you'll say they go put flyover for Upper from Nomayo Junction to Idogbo. Maybe they put flyover for Upper. Recently, we can construct one flyover. Now people, Rivers people, they say this area don't need flyover. It doesn't need flyover. Very soon now, governor will say he want to do flyover from maybe from Mission Road to Sapler Road. Now the same opposition EPM will say, hey, in one Luto, we don't need flyover here. Oh. All you need to do is to open a ring road. All you need to do is to decongest ring road. All you need to do is for pull off to be up and doing. All you need to do is for ESMA. Obaseki doesn't know this, they don't know that. Now what do they do? So my Edo people, I beg you now. Walao. See, once opposition start to hear you, you are gone politically. For 4 years, you not get any time opposition to hear me. You can't hear me. Why? Now me want to do post to romance your ego. Make you they happy. Make you like me. Why you want like me? Very few people now want me they like me for my life. Very few people. They don't reach 3. They don't reach 3. Why want me they like me? Their opinion counts in my life. I consult them. They don't reach 3 for my life. They don't reach 3. They don't reach 3. So sometimes anytime you write don't say about I not saying what they talk. I not saying what they talk. So my people, please let us not dance to the tone of the opposition. Please, am I swearing? If they swear now for the next 6 months, the government will still be battling with tribunal case. APC National said they know they go tribunal, they congratulate governor. EPM is there, he not go, but he not go. They not let her go. They not let her go. Now they are trying to now fight the government by using proxy, by using ADP and some other political parties. So if you supported the governor during the election, please continue your support. Money or no money, if the man not give you appointment, please use your connection with the government to attract development in your area. I want to see governor construct a Ewotubu road. We get areas we don't get road. We get many people who know the food. We get many places who know if rain fall. We get flooding problem. That should be our problem. Not fly over. Which fly over to where? Many areas then if rain fall because of the stormwater project with the Clement Badu. Many people cannot go home. Let's encourage the government to put final total end to flooding issue. Let's encourage the government to complete the Gelegele project, to complete the expansion of Ekenwa Road. Let's encourage the government to complete the Osimo power project. We have a lot to complete. We have a lot to do. Edo best. We are praying for government to extend Edo to secondary level. We have a lot. Edo not to get money. So I don't know where the money they come from now. COVID-19 crisis. That was the question governor asked Isaiah Muse. Post-COVID, how do you intend to run your state, to run the state of CPS Larry? So please, don't say Abatina, criticize the governor. No, you are free to criticize him constructively, but not go there, not distract him. I am glad to say the 4 years of Obaseki, I contributed my quota to the development of the state. When the genocide want bring down this government, I know what I did. Many people they follow us for diaspora now. When people call it Create Foundation, they look for different to chop money from them. Now I sold the governor, myself and some other great minds. But like I said, many people, so you were there with many. But now me they grant here. So sometimes they need me to verify some things. I was consistent in my wave. In my wave, I was consistent. When it come clear, say governor controls 95% popularity among Edo voters. Not be many people around the come. Oh yeah, now. And I will still not give up. Because if Governor Obaseki does not perform this second time, it is the masses that will suffer, not Abat Obase. I think decide to travel, go any country. Governor will not suffer. He will not suffer. He will come out. It is the masses that will suffer. So we still need to be around. Don't just me go response. If Pierre will come hear me, no, it's not possible. They can never celebrate in my war. Not in my war, therefore they celebrate. So I'm saying I cannot create an enmity. What are you saying? What are you saying? As we speak, when they say una get political maturity, I doubt if Trump and Hillary Clinton they talk for phone, I mean Obama. Now here, the opposition day. Yesterday, me and Felicity we meet for where I want to go buy fish. I fight him. Why not fight Felicity? We are go buy fish. After that, we share, we greet. We greet say, why we talk. We are not romancing online. Does not mean say if we see for ground, we'll begin to use blow. We can't do that. We can't do that. So my people, please, anywhere you see somebody, they dance like this. See, the easiest way now to collect money from diaspora is to pretend like you are with the people. That's the easiest way to collect money from people in diaspora now. Let me tell you, if you are in any WhatsApp group and the people are still trying to extort money from you, pull out of that WhatsApp. We're election phone. If we have any cost for us to create a WhatsApp group to raise funds in future, we will do it. But for now, election week, election phone. December is coming. See, bag of rice they increase. If you are in diaspora, please call your parents. This is not the time for you to do Nami like Percy Pass. Please, all this psychological begging needs to stop. Call your people, call your manager. Me gonna have 5 bags of rice. I don't know where is now. Share food for them. I want to see each person for diaspora send like 100 or 200,000 to their mama. Say, mommy, go buy food. They say rice they cost. Make poor people only feel afford that again. Go share this rice for people for my streets where you know so they don't get. Diaspora starts talking. The masses are suffering as we speak. Things don't increase. Poor person now when they eat 20,000, 25,000, at the end of the month, you don't see what they use the money do. So help them. Help them by sharing food. Help them by sharing oil. Stock your house. Call your family. Call them. Help them. Help people around. As me then now, me, money not there with me. I've bought some bags of rice when I want to share. First, I will start with my family. From my family to my staff. Because I know say what they give them every month. Normally, no will ever feel reach them. How much? How much are they pay them? With the high cost of things in the market. I go from my staff, then my neighbors. As my hand reach, I go do one like that. So diaspora, don't listen. Even if anybody they do foundation, they be click. Oh, there is many of them they be click. They know where other thing they meet. See now also they also. And they tell now, you know, I don't know why they don't like me. During the election, I closed out many people, made them do shit. But after election, I personally warned some persons. I think, please, extortion need to stop. Oh. Let's calm down. Our election then. If they go dirty with me, I will go dirty. Don't blackmail me. Don't say somebody say I'm about is jealous. It's jealous, envy, still threatening. How? You don't see me and Jacobian fight for 4 years now. He's working, he's fame. Everybody to dance up and down. Now yeah, they rain now, go. Now yeah, they rain now, now yeah, now no. Stand for what you believe in. If you have any issues with the government, talk and come outside. Not the dance and say I deal with the people. So please, my people, don't give up on the governor. The governor needs me and you. When I know the governor won't vote for, please let us protect him. We don't need this job because very soon now PDP will start to follow and fight. Amaga is so. Amaga is so. Many people they expect things. They don't say, because as I walk, rich. Everybody walk, everybody win. So you don't expect the man to take care of, to feed service everybody. It's not possible to give appointment to everybody. He's going to pick the best so that make you feel serve Edo people. So especially our Edos in diaspora, we need you to protect the governor. We need you because they will fight him. They will fight him. Oh, people will work for him too plenty. They go fight him. Me, I will never be among those that will fight him. That's why some people go try revive my business. When you see your full application, when you properties. Go revive my business. After we saw 100 by 100, you have a here. We are pay, man. So please, everybody should go and activate his or her second address. If the man not give you position, patience. Patience, because people many will work for him. I am begging, diaspora, please, nobody, don't allow anybody incite you against the man. Very soon, somebody will say, make governor come from here, Tyro to Canada, just because they want to give him distraction. Please, let us protect him. Let's protect him to concentrate. If we protect him, nobody will even come and say they want to fight him, say because they don't make the commissioner. People they call me about Obaseki or power where we yagbe or what commissioner no or Arieme or yo Omarieme or yo. So don't win an edo. So don't win an edo. Nobody's talking about the state of insecurity in the state. Many people will get POS and not even if you go their POS time because people now they carry cut to side AK-47 they can't collect money from them. Bankers are still scared of going to work. For 3 days now, I've been trying to collect money from bank. I never feel collect money. So please, my people, please, if other states are burning, maybe I don't know they burn. People don't know they put fire. Because now it don't rob everybody now. Now everybody they say police come out, police come out, police come out. We are not begging police to come out and do their work. But many of them are still scared. Because during the protest, who knows we are looking for police to kill? I see they not be human being. I see they not get children, they not get wife. They also get their own rights. Not be all of them say bad. If 100 police there here, and we must get 5. When they do the rework, we're not corrupt. We must get 5 inside 100 police. 95 if we corrupt. 5 must they. Not go kill that 5 because the 95 we corrupt. That's why when hoodlums hijacked the protest, I completely distanced myself. When the genuine protesters were in the street, I was with them. And how much data I spent to take the stream their activities. So Edo people, please, I'm not envious of anybody. I'm not a desperate person. I am contented. I'm not desperate. I don't want to own mansions. I don't want to drive the most powerful cars. I just want my state to work. This governor is doing well. We support him. We will stand by him. Or we are going wrong. I will be tired. I will be tired. This area, sir, you are going wrong in this area. You need to retrace your steps. Yeah, what Osioma or Hamomare Unuewia. Am I swear in? All this distraction. He does Omani Day. Please, Omani Day. Edo diaspora, don't allow Edos in diaspora, don't allow anybody incite you against him. Please, Lao, you what? I can't be envious of anybody. I don't feel the envy. How? GSS1. No. SS1. Pay school fees. SS1. Work what you know if say I feel do. I don't do one. So I've always been independent. If now Genocide again, I want to do next week is my son's birthday. I'm celebrating his birthday on the 8th. If not Genocide, if I don't do live video, they look for who go buy cow, who go buy drink, who go rent canopy. We don't use and they suck diaspora. If you are doing well, people feel you, they will call you to say me. All the psychological begging needs to stop. It needs to stop. And people they buy me data. I get people work. If people are buying you data, fine, thank them. Keep quiet because you are psychologically begging other people who never buy you data. We know the game. We know be small pikin. So please, my people, anything I saw a video recently. People go show one community when they want to make government contact. Yes. Yes. I saw if we carry the video. I said I go give governor for WhatsApp. I said I go give commissioner for works for WhatsApp. I said this road needs to be fixed. Governor tore around the 192 ward. He has identified roads that he must do. Roads, when you say roads, I follow and travel where. He will say this road in my first 90 days, I will commence the construction of this road. He don't write money for grant. So we are going to protect him. We are going to stand by him. We are going to stand by him to succeed. Because if he doesn't succeed, now me and you now will lose. He's not just one person. If he decide to go America, go spend the rest of his life. How many people get visa to go America? So my Edo people, I am appealing. Please, this is the season of love. This is the season of reaching out. Please, go and take care of your family. Go and take care of people in your area. All these message, many people, they take them. But we get very few people, they use prosy, they insult me. You know, say, people, men, women, they get issue with. Me now more one man riot. People many like Collins who their supporters now that they insult me where once I got measure foundation. Yeah, well, very about shut up. That they insult me where. Genocide people that they insult me where. Cause yeah where Mogbe foundation. He Mogbe foundation. Hey Mozaki foundation Dion. And what they don't like me. So as they talk now they go they insult me. Is there young people, they don't like me. They don't like me at all. So as they turn on, they talk, drop negative, especially with prosy accounts. And amigo people, they don't like me. So people meant me. Me not just one man riot, one man mupo. But you know why God, any evil plan, when they plan, many people pray and say, make people just feel kill my enemy. Not the only politicians, they wish for my downfall. Not the only politicians. Many people they do bad things for social media when they checkmate. They pray for my downfall every day. Because they believe say by this time they're supposed to don't blow Yakata. About the Kwe. About here Okmanugu. Yeah, I tell you, they don't tell me face to face. You get very wide diaspora network about why you know they ask them for money. If I say I need car worth 10 million naira today, and I do a video to say, please, somebody should create a GoFundMe account. I need a car of 10 million naira. Many of my fans, they will contribute, they will buy it for me. I don't do it. I don't do it. I only take advantage of people. I don't. The only thing I do, if you want to do CFO, contact me. If you get person who want to buy land, contact me. If you get person who want to do building plan, who want to do land survey, contact me. If you want to make I help you construct your building, make it fine, like my house fine. That's small house, but fine. I build that way. Contact me. Give me job so that I will earn money legitimately. I won't take advantage of my people. Some people on social media, they ask for clothes, they ask for shoes, they ask for wristwatch. Some are even looking for visa. Thank you very much, Edo people. I'll be back again. God bless you. Abatobaze, I envy no one. Bye.
Hey there. Subscribe to my channel. And also press this bell icon.